Generating reports for regulatory or other corporate purposes requires a manual process with desktop tools or the use of complex submission tools that weren't designed for the generation of reports. Often reports include elements such as tables of contents, cover pages, pagination that spans across the multiple individual documents that need to be merged together into that report. Some reports are a single PDF file, others may require multiple PDF files due to their size. What I'm showing you here is how in DocShifter we're able to automate all the steps needed to create a report in a seamless, fully automated workflow. What I have at the moment is a SharePoint repository, and this would be equally valid no matter what repository type, whether it was a Documentum-based repository, a Viva, SharePoint, file shares on your network, etc. Ultimately, we can pick content up for generation of reports no matter where. So I'm monitoring, in this case, a location in SharePoint. I'm doing a very simple workflow that's going to merge all of my individual documents together and create PDFs from each individual file, merge together. It's going to add a table of content that spans the entire report. I'm going to add cover pages, a cover page at the beginning of the report that includes various pieces of metadata about the report itself. I'm going to add some overlay information, for example, a header and footer. In this case, I'm going to add consistent pagination that spans the entire report, but I could include other info in the header and footer as well. And then I'm going to ensure at the end that my final results are fully compliant as well. In this case, I'm going to make them FDA compliant. And I'm going to store my results back out into SharePoint. At the end of the day, this can be fully automated. You could include different steps, you could include them in different orders, and you could have different specifications for different types of reports as well. So if I go into my SharePoint repository in this case, I'm going to send this simple zip file that basically is just a number of documents, in this case just 7 individual small documents. I'm going to send this one to be processed by DocShifter, and it's going to sort of process automatically in the background. This can be fully automated as well. So it's going to merge, convert every individual document in that zip file to PDF. It's going to merge them all and apply the settings that I told it to. So if I go into my output location where I told it this the results should be stored, I have this demo FDA folder. You'll see within a few seconds my report has been created. There's been no human intervention whatsoever. It's fully automatic. If I download this file to my local drive so I can show you this in Acrobat, you'll see various elements have been added. Firstly, I have, in this case, just 91 pages, but basically this is all of the documents within the zip file merged together, regardless of which orientation the pages are in. You'll notice I've added a simple page number at the bottom of each page, and again that spans across the entire report. I have bookmarks that span the entire collection of documents as well, and again down to whatever level it is I want to define, so I can restrict it to only include so many levels. All of this is fully compliant in case it was for regulatory use. All of my hyperlinks and bookmarks are set to inherit Zoom, etc. I have my cover page included, and I had pieces of metadata pulled from my repository. In this case, the report title, the health authority this should be submitted to, who last modified the report or the zip file in this case, the creation date, etc., as well as some graphics, some in logos, etc. as well. So very simply, all I did was I just set up the automation, I provided the collection of documents, and DocShifter did the rest. It fully automated the entire generation of that report. If you'd like to see more, please click on the book a demo or reach the contact pages to reach out to us, and hope to speak to you soon.